Hello friends, I'm here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri ma'am. Here we solve the questions from IIT JAM examination. Subject is biotechnology. Today we are going to solve the question from the NAT section of the IIT JAM examination. NAT section is numerical answer type questions are there in the NAT section. This is section C from the exam. It contains total 20 questions. First 10 questions are for 1 mark. Next 10 questions are for 2 marks. Total in all there are 30 marks questions are there. Total questions are 20 but marks are 30. The beauty of this section is there is no negative marking for this section. As well as there is no choices are given. Choices are not given. You have to solve the question by yourself and you need to enter the answer by using a virtual numerical keypad. The answer is entered so in the form of numbers and you need to enter the answer using virtual numerical keypad. So we'll have the question from NAT section today. Okay, so this is the question. The question says that both strands of a DNA molecule are labeled with radioactive thymidine and are allowed to duplicate in an environment containing non-radioactive thymidine. The number of DNA molecule that will contain radioactive thymidine after 3 duplication is. This is a question from paper of biotechnology 2018 and this is, as I have told you, this is from NAT section. The question is asking that how many molecules of DNA would be there after 3 duplication, which will contain radioactive thymidine. I have given this question in my last video. You must have solved it. You must have think over it. Still, we can pause for a moment. You can think and write your answer in the comment section below. This is my mail ID. You can contact me on this mail. I conduct online classes for the preparation of IIT JAM examination and this is my mail ID. Okay, coming back to the question. For answering this question, we must have somewhat idea about the semi-conservative mode of DNA replication. This semi-conservative mode of DNA replication was discovered by Messelson and Stahl. They performed the experiment using radioactive nitrogen to understand whether the DNA replication is conservative, semi-conservative or dispersive. This image I have taken from the link given below. If you want to see, you can click on this link and get this image. See what this image shows. If the DNA replication is conservative, what will happen? When parental DNA is there, after first replication, whole of the parental DNA will be conserved at one place and the newly formed DNA will be both the strands would be new in newly formed DNA. After second replication also, this parental strand will get conserved and it will give rise to 2 new strands. Same will be the condition for this another 2 strands also. Every time one will get conserved and the another 2 strand will get formed newly. What happens in semi-conservative mode of replication? If these 2 strands are to be replicated, one strand is conserved every time and one newly formed strand is added with it. See here, again for the second replication cycle, one strand is conserved and another yellow colored strand is newly formed. Here, one yellow colored strand which is conserved and another yellow colored newly formed strand is there. Same way, here it is happening. Then if we consider dispersive type of replication, it shows that both the strands would get dispersed and half or some portion of the strand would be from older strand and some newly formed strand would get added. So this would be a type of dispersive type of replication. But after Messelson and Stahl experiment, it was confirmed that the replication is semi-conservative type. Hence, one of the strand is conserved every time and another strand is formed newly. This information is background to get the answer for our question. Now we'll understand in regardance with question. See, this is another image. Here again, semi-conservative model of DNA replication is shown. Now, what our question is asking us, both the strands of DNA molecule are labeled with radioactive thymidine. Okay, now consider these purple, dark purple, both the strands are labeled with radioactive thymidine. These are to be replicated and these are allowed to duplicate in an environment containing non-radioactive thymidine. Now the normal bases are added for the replication of this radio-labeled DNA strand. So what would happen? One strand would be labeled and the another newly formed strand would be unlabeled. So this light purple strand in this duplex would be unlabeled and same case would be here also. Then at the second round of replication again one strand would remain labeled which was taken from initial duplex and the another strand would be unlabeled. Here the second strand is unlabeled and we are adding non-radioactive thymidine here, hence the another strand would also be unlabeled. So both the strands would be unlabeled in these two cases and in one and the second. These cases one of the strand would be labeled and another would be unlabeled. So this is still the second cycle. The same thing would get continued when we will go for next cycle of replication. So you can understand that after each replication we are getting only one strand which is labeled. Here it is and here it is. So in all two strands are labeled. After three duplication also we'll get two strands which would be labeled with radioactive thymidine. Hence, the number of DNA molecules after 3 duplication which contain radioactive thymidine would be 2. So here you need to write the answer 2 in the uh, given place there when you have to solve this question. Yes, as we go for every time, I am here with another NAT type of question. The question is from biochemistry and question is related to pK, pi, pH, these values. So let's read the question. For a 0.1 molar aqueous solution of lysine, the pH at which it carries no net charge is. The information given is pKa values for alpha carboxylic group is given 3.1. For alpha amino group it is given 8 and for epsilon amino group it is given 10.8. This is a NAT question again from paper of biotechnology 2018. This is question for 2 marks, and this is very can say you can get these marks very easily if you understand the concepts very clearly and able to solve these questions. So let's try this question till my next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel as well as hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.